Hi everyone. I have an innovative technique to share with those of you who take your power wheelchairs and scooters out after dark. This was suggested to me by one of the youth that attends the same gym as myself. What I have here is reflective tape. I purchased this on eBay directly from Hong Kong. So I searched for reflective tape, and then on the side menu options I selected worldwide, and then at the top I clicked on buy it now and selected the sorting option lowest price including shipping to the highest price. What is available are any number of reflective tape colors. I happen to have selected white because of the lighting that I'm adding to the wheelchair. The white tape will take on the color that the lights are shining. So what you can do is take vertical strips of this and apply it to your seat back. The seat back is at car headlight level, and it's gonna beam back and increase your exposure for the vehicles that are on the road or near you. The technique for applying this is really straightforward and easy to do. There are some vertical straight lines on the seat back of my power wheelchair. The metal's been bent in a press to sort of form the shape to hug my back. I started by applying the first vertical piece of tape, and then I worked my way out. Now you're gonna see that there are several obstructions that are needed for how the seat back mounts onto the wheelchair. So I had to, I carved it out with my utility knife, and for the pieces for where the tape had to go over top of it, I took my scissors and just sort of cut out a C-type shape, or else applied small strips, making it look like it was one continual strip all the way down. You need to have some good use of your hands to be able to do this. So other people in your life that you could ask would be people who are good at hanging drywall, people that are good with sort of general handyman skills, people who also have sewing skills would be able to do this because of using the rotary cutting tool for cutting fabric. So what I'm talking about is, instead of using a scissor, there's similar to a scissor, but it's a blade that you just drive on the fabric, and as it drives on the fabric, it cuts it. Then you just trim it to the edges as you go along. Now, this is a plastic product. If there's any kind of bumps on it, this will deform to look hilly. I discovered this when I did the backup case on my battery access compartment of my wheelchair. So you want to start with a clean surface, and you want to make sure that you cut around the parts of the wheelchair that are used for mounting the hardware. Before I finish the video, I want to remind you, this is a tool. It's not a technique for coping with life. I've seen people that periodically have cut their arms with any number of blades in order to cope with the stress in their life. If you're struggling and need mental health support, that's okay. Ask for it, you deserve it, and you're definitely worth it. Thanks so much for this time that you've spent with me today. Bye for now.